This property is presented by Charlotte Rouse 1122 Caroline Street Apartment Number 4. Opportunity to live in a beautiful renovated home, converted into apartments located in Downtown Historic Fredericksburg. 2 bedrooms/1 bath. Gorgeous newly installed laminate hardwood floors and tall ceilings throughout. Open floor plan concept with lots of windows and wonderful lights, all new paint, new updated kitchen with quartz countertops and new windows to be installed shortly. Walking distance to the train station, restaurants and shops, city library and the Rappahannock River waterfront. Off-street parking. The $1,800 per month includes electricity. Washer and dryer in the basement. Location. Water $25 per month and trash $25 per month. Tenants responsible for general maintenance, filters, light bulbs. Tenants responsible for any small repairs totaling up to $100. No pets. Credit and background check to be done through Rentspree. Please see link under lease information.